Hi friends, welcome to Winkies Academy. Download Winkies Academy mobile app from Play Store on your mobile and get all concepts for free. No need to pay a single rupee.
Yes, so see the next model in this, the concept of the partnership. So already I have told you last class about this, the partnership. Each person of the partner will put the same investment for up to the end of the business. But here, meanwhile that this problem, the investment changes meanwhile the period. Some in this business sometimes the partners will be put some advances. They advance some capital extra, whereas sometimes some other partners will be withdraw some of their investment. So the type of model now we have to see here. See the problem here. Two persons A and B together started a business with an investment of 4,000, 8,000. But at the end of 6 months, what is the meaning of at the end of 6 months? Means after starting off the 6 months period. At the end of 6 months, after 6 months period, A advances rupees 2,000 of his capital. That means not only 4,000. First he put 4,000 for 6 months. Then after 6 months period, he added 2,000 extra for this 4,000. That means his investment becomes 6,000 after 6 months. Whereas B withdraws half of his capital. That means after end of the 6 months. For up to 6 months he invested 8,000 only. After 6 months period he also changes the investment. Whereas B withdraws. Withdraw means he make it a minus. So he withdraws half of his capital, means full amount is full investment of B is 8,000. Half of the investment means 4,000. 4,000 he withdraws. So the remaining investment means only 4,000. The remaining investment 4,000 he put for the remaining period. So at the end of 1 year, at the end of 1 year, their profit were divided in their profit, total profit is 3,300. So a part of the 3,300, find the share of A, how much A gets, how much B gets the profit. Now we have to distribute each person profit, how much they gets. So this problem exclusively a changing of the investment for some certain period. Let us see. Before model, this model is entirely different. Before model is the investment is same for up to the end of the business, but whereas here after some certain period the investment changes. How it changes, let us see. See, A and B together started with the 4,000, 8,000 for up to the span of they started the business. At the end of 6 months means after 6 months period. So A invested 4,000 for 6 months means 4,000 into 6 months. Whenever if you want to distribute the profit, we have to multiply the investment into the time period for each person. So 6 months. At the end of 6 months, A advances rupees 2,000. So 4,000 invested for 6 months. After the end of the 6 months, he invested extra investment 2,000. So he advances means advanced. He puts more investment 2,000. So this 4,000 plus 2,000 becomes 6,000. Advances means. So how much this period, this 6,000 he has put for the time period is after end of the 1 year. After the end of the 1 year. So the business completely, total period is 1 year. Total period 1 year means here with the 4,000 he invested for 6 months. So in 1 year, if it goes 6 months, the remaining 6 months will be here. We have to put 6 months here. So this investment is A. This also A. These both are the total investments of A. So we should add a plus, not A is to. A is to. The total investment is A. Come to B. B invested starting with the investment of 8,000. At the end of 6 months, A advances, whereas B withdraws. So this 8,000. First he put investment as for 6 months into 6 months. After the 6 months, B withdraws half of his capital. The total full investment is of 8,000. Half means 4,000. This 4,000 he has subtract he has withdraws. That means we have to make it a subtraction. So 8,000 means 8,000 minus 4,000 means the remaining investment is 4,000 only. So we have to put the 4,000 for B. Here into time period, how much in time period we have to put here? The business has overall the business for 1 year. So within the span of 1 year, here it goes 6 months. So the remaining time is 1 year minus 6 months means the remaining 6 months only. So we have to put 6 months here into 6. So this investment is B. This investment also B. Some people will put here minus cause they withdraws is half his capital means they will put minus here. Don't put a minus here. If you do minus, if you put the minus, it is a meaningless in this partnership content. So just we have to subtract the investment only. 8,000 minus 4,000 becomes 4,000. That is 4,000. Okay. So here we have to put plus only. Some people will ask us, so sir, here they had subtracted this investment, so we should make it minus. So we should subtract the value only. This investment is a B for 6 months. This investment also for B for remaining 6 months. So we should add, even if we advances, we put plus, even if we withdraws also, we should make it a subtraction the value only, but here we have to put plus 1. So this is 2. Now we should make it a ratio. 4, 6, 24. 24,000 here. 6, 6, 36. 36 plus 24 means 60. That means 60,000. 60,000 here is 2. 8, 6, 48. 6, 4 is 24. 48, 24 means 72. That means 72,000. So 000 gets cancelled. Make it a cancel with 12 5s or 12 6 here. So finally we got a 5:6 ratio. What is the meaning of 5:6? This is nothing but we can call it as the IU, investment units, or may have called it as of the profit ratio. A will get a 5 parts profit, B will get a 6 parts profit. So here the total profit is 3,300. 5 plus 6, this is the total profit. So 3,300. This total profit will be equal to total parts. 5 plus 6 are 11 parts. So 11 parts equal to 3,300. So 11 ones, 11 threes. So one part is 300 here. So each part 300. Whenever if you find about each part, we can distribute. Depends upon the investment units. A need 5 parts here. One part is 300. 5 parts means 1,500. The profit of A. Whereas for B need 6 parts. One part is 300. 6 parts is 1,800. So B share is rupees 1,800. So this is method, this process we can call it as advances and withdraw model. Okay. See the next model in this partnership. Actually, the previous problem they will give investment on the time period also. After that they will give the profit. We have to distribute the profit. That is the previous model. Right now this model here, 2 persons A and B together started a business. B puts investment 6,000, whereas A's investment he has not given. But the end of the business, after end of the business of 2 years, at the end of the business of 2 years, they got the profit of 2,000, 3,000. A got 2,000, whereas B got 2,000. So he'll ask about the investment of A. The thing is here, if they had given the investment, we should make the ratio for investment. But here this is a different. They had given the reverse process. They had given the profit. A got 2,000 at the end of the business. B got the profit of 3,000 at the end of business. The complete business has run with the 2 years. The investment of B is at 6,000. Find the investment of A that they are asking right now. Time period is equal. If the time period is equal, no need to use the time period. Okay. So just we should make the ratio for this profit ratio. So 000 gets cancelled. So if you make the ratio for this profit 2:3, it becomes 2:3. Now they had given only B investment. By using this logic, we can find about the investment of A. Okay. Now 2:3 ratio, this profit ratio. that they had given the profit in terms of rupees. Just we had make it the ratio between the 2000 means 000 cancel 2:3. Here, B's profit is equal. B's profit we got 3 parts only. B's investment is 6,000. These 3 parts equal to 6,000. 3 parts equal to 6,000. 1 part equal to 2,000. So 1 part 2,000 means here A got 2 parts profit. That means 1 part equal to 2,000. 2 parts means 4,000. The investment of A is 4,000. So this is a reverse model only. Here in this partnership, if they had given both the investments, we will make the ratio for investments, will go the profit. Suppose if I had given the profits to find about the investments, we will take the ratio for profits, we'll go reverse model. Just so, reverse vice versa. Okay, so it can.
Below to our